Come on down to the Trikes to Bikes bike show. Everybody's coming in and getting their bikes set up, and some of the vendors are setting up. There's food here already, and Mary Kay is here, and there's a few other people here selling their stuff. So come on down and check us out. Miranda's here with her bracelets. Got the bars all set up. It's a nice day. There's a nice breeze, no hot sun. Got some free samples for you guys already. Got the car care bags ready for you guys to pick up. Look at all these bracelets. Gotta zoom in and check some of these out. Look at these. Isn't that cute? Don't mind my fingernails. They're a little unkept right now. Oh, look, each one is different, and each one has its own little button. And I'm wearing mine. Hi, Miranda.
Hello.
And we got fragrance flowers. Got the June warmer and scent of the month here. Got cleaners, wall fans, pods, sprays, light bulbs, and there's that nice breeze. We got bath and lotions, light bulbs, and testers. So come pick out your favorite scents, get some great deals on bars, and come say hi.